P-Popcorn Stray Dogs by Ken.
Ito ba yun? 2023?
Myla TV. Hindi mapigilan yung mga tao. Hindi mapigilan yung mga tao eh. Ang suot niya dito? Is this a ski mask? Balaklava? That's fucking smoothie, man. Rockstar. Yeah. Hey. Parang yay lang, no? Pinaalala niyo naman yung rally na yan sa 21. Kasama kaya si Ken sa rally sa 21? Gagi pag sumama si Ken dun sa rally. Basta ganyan. No. Dadagsain yun dun. Hey!
Thank you so much. First of all, I just want to thank every one of you here for coming tonight. And, wait, let me just take my mask off.
Paano kaya hindi natanggal, no? Pag ano niya tanggal yung ano, yung zipper, no? Fucking rockstar, man. Oh, fucking rockstar.
You guys are amazing. Even though nakainis ko, sobrang rinig yung mga cheesy nyo. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are beautiful. Thank you. So yeah, di ko na patatagalin pa. You want some? You want?
Grabe, no?
Ayun, basta ako mas kuswelo. Let's go.
Grabe, no? Nag-iiba si Ken sa ano? Sa stage. Grabe yung aura. Hey. Hey. Sorry, but guys, di ako makareact ng maayos, no? I mean, this is the first time na napanood ko tong video na to, no? This is the first time na nakita ko na ganito mag-aura farming si Ken, man. Ibang-iba, no? Just amazed, man. Parang I'm used to seeing Ken with SB19, no? Like, hindi ganito ka wild, kumbaga. I mean, music video is a different, it's a different conversation because it's a music video. Everything can be, edited, depends on the angle, diba? Sa music video kasi kayang gawa ng paraan kung paano siya i-represent, no? Maramdaman ng mga tao. Pero iba tayo kasi pag-performance, diba? But Ken is just a different human being, no? Dito sa performance na to, or pag siya lang mag-isa nagpe-perform, nag-iiba eh. Hey. Hey. Don't you forget na Ken is actually a fucking dancer, man. ba? Yung gano'n na. Taratag. Ah. Let's fucking go, man. Let him cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. Kahit 2 time pa, okay lang.
Sobrang happy ko na nandito kayo ngayon. Sobrang real ang mangyari ko dito na lahat ng fans ng Pino Group dito ngayon. And I'm very honored na mag-perform.
Man, I feel like I want to listen to Seven Sins again, no? I feel like I want to listen to Seven Sins again. I mean,
In front of you, in front of every one of you here. Kaya maraming salamat. So, I'm just enjoying the music. So rapid in it.
hey,
My chest.
hey.
Check.
Good evening po. Natapon yung tubig.
My chest. Wala kami ginagawa, guys.
Hey, let's go, man. Hey. Like this. Let's go. Bad Bisaya. That's a set, no? That's a set. That's a mic drop, by the way. That is a mic drop. Hindi bagay yung ano eh, parang parang happy na ano na background music after ng performance na yon. Like hindi bagay yung pagpasok ng host na hi, ganon sa ginawang performance niya. Nasunog yung stage eh. Tapos biglang hi. Biglang pasok na gantong music. Panira naman yun. Bro, that's a fucking performance, man. That's a performance, man. Also, props sa mga dancer, no? Background dancer. Man. Okay. All right. We just watched Weapons, actually, with my wife. So, this running is very, very familiar. Ano to, Ken? Ha? Ganito yung takbo sa Weapons, eh. Ano ba yun na ba yung Weapons, guys? Ganito yung takbo nun, eh. Alright. That is Philip, no? For P-PopCon 2023. Grabe yun. Pinapagawa niya naman sa akin yung takbo.